Hello, 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 ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Root Beer here with more of the 2007 Fermat paper. We're on question number 10. So hopefully you guys have taken a look at it. Let's take a look at it together now. A store normally sells each of its DVDs for $20. At a sale, Phyllis buys 2 DVDs at the regular price and gets a third DVD for half price. This is the same rate of discount as getting, look at those options. 2 DVDs for the price of 1, 3 for the price of 2, 4 for the price of 3, 3 for the price of 4, or 6 for the price of 5. Alright. So this is essentially a ratio question. What can we say here? So we are concerned with the ratio number that she got to number she number of DVDs she got versus number she paid for, I guess. That's always it's sort of tricky how I want to set this up. But she got 3 DVDs, and she paid $50. Now, each DVD costs $20. So, by the way, so what we're going to do is we're going to get like 3 to something. And we're going to change that so that it looks like a 5 to 4. Or a 6 to 5, or maybe it's 2 to 1. I have no idea. Okay, it all depends on what this value turns out to be. But how many she should have gotten? Well, each one costs $20, so $50 would have bought 2.5. Okay, now this is the actual ratio. She got 3, but she paid enough for 2.5. That's the deal she's got. Now this is equivalent to one of these. 2 to 1, 3 to 2. It did start 2 to 1, right? Yeah. 4 to 3, 5 to 4, or 6 to 5. Now, if none of these answers immediately jumps out at you, that's okay. To me, it immediately jumps out. It's going to be 6 to 5. I just, double the 2.5, you'll get 5. And you have to double the 3 to maintain the ratio, you get 6. That's fine. But if none of them immediately jump out to you, what I would do is just sort of focus on this 3 here. Hey, 3 to 2 is right out. But say, okay, what do I have to do to 3 to get 2? Well, I have to multiply it by 2 over 3. What happens when I multiply 2.5 over 2 by 2.3? Or sorry, by 2/3. Multiply 2.5 by 2/3. I don't get 1. So I know this one's off the list. And you can just keep crossing them all out. I mean, if something jumps at you, that's okay. But we know the expression A to B is the same as A times K to the B times K. Ratios work just like fractions. Just like fractions, they're just written slightly differently. Okay? But that's all it is. So if you want to say this ratio is the same as this ratio, you need to find a common factor. Just like saying this fraction is the same as this fraction. Well, is 7 over 11 the same as 14 over 22? Yeah, multiply top and bottom by 2. Is 3 to 2.5 the same ratio as 6 to 5? Yeah, multiply both sides of the ratio by 2. Okay? So we just have to run through the list, and we see E is going to be our answer. Oops, wrong button. We're not at the outro yet. There we go. E is our answer. Just double check. Yep. And so we'll scroll right on down to question number 11, and now it's the time for the outro screen. I'll see you guys for question number 11 next time.